Greetings! When you visit a website, some data is saved on your computer and it is called cache. This helps the site load faster next time. If you see old or outdated information, clearing the cache can fix it. Pressing the refresh button on your browser's address bar does only a standard refresh. To force refresh from the server, press the Shift or Control keys and click the browser's refresh icon. Pressing the Ctrl plus F5 keys will delete the page cache and force the browser to retrieve the fresh web page contents from the server instead of loading them from the cache. On the upper right corner, click the three horizontal bars. Click History. Then click Clear Recent History. Choose the time range. Ensure Temporary Cached Files and Pages is selected. Finally, click the Clear button to initiate the cache clearing process.